happy birthday. Wish you have more birthday to come. More candle to blow. Happy birthday. Tita Rina is here. We always love you. Even though na dili kay mega visit sa inyong house. You know na busy din paminsan. Pero soon, sana nga. So, magkita-kita din tayo. So, kahit pa man na layo mi, na dili kay mega visit, but we love you. You and your sisters and brother. So, ikaw ang pinakabunso. So, sana mutuman ka sa imong, musunod ka sa imong ate o sa imong kuya. Be a good son to your mom. Even though your mom is nasa layo. Kasi nagtrabaho siya para lamang po sa inyo. So, enjoy your day and then don't be sad, baby. Actually, you're not a baby now. You're a big boy now. Don't be sad nga sometimes imong mama na dili makauli dahil this pandemic na sa mga lalong-lalo na sa Christmas, New Year na ganyan, nalayo ang imong parents. But God is always be with you. So, and then your mom is working so hard to provide all your needs, and then para din yan sa inyong kaayuhan. Soon magiging kaluyan lang, mag-ayo lang jud mo eskwela, magtarong lang jud mo eskwela para at least puhon inyo nang mapauli ang inyong mama og din mag-uban na mo forever. So I know na dili lalim na because you're still baby that time na Ate Karen is nagwork sa gawas. So, but your mom is love you so much. So, that's why buhis iyang buhay na magtrabaho sa gawas para sa inyong kinabukasan. So, don't be sad na kahit pa man na sa mga panahon na may mga special na occasion na wala yung mom mo lagi. Pero, looking forward na mag-settle for good na din yung mama mo. So, be a good brother to your sister and to your kuya, and be a good son to your mom. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, AG. May the Lord God bless you always lang ga. Stay guwapo. Basta happy birthday. Mugret daw si Rinren sa imo.
Happy 16th birthday, kuya.
Nawala siya.
Guwapa kay ko.
Kay guwapa daw siya. Bitaw, happy birthday lang ga sa see you soon. See you soon. Bye.
Hello. Boot EJ. Boot EJ man yung pangalan. Boot EJ Ronel. Boot EJ Kual. I just want to say na happy birthday. Usa lang akong may payo, no? Continue what you are doing. Kung asa ka malipay, kung iring sa mukan kayo. Basta ang importante, wala kayong matamakan na tao. Oh, diaming. Importante nga, wala kayong matamakan na tao. God bless, miskan wala yung parents, dili dol, no? Ang importante, magkasinabtanay mo sa imong maigsoon, dili mo magpabadlong kanunay. Hinumdumi imong mama nagpakalayo sa inyo para matustusan yung kaugmaon. Kana lang, salamat. Happy birthday.
Loloy, happy birthday, AJ. And mama want to say to greet you happy birthday og amping permisa matagadlaw loy nga dili magpabadlong. You're 16 now, so ilitaw na nakabalo na unsay tama ug mali. So sorry anak for a long 9 years of wala gid si mama diya sa imong birthday, but always remember na love kay kan mama. Mama loves you so much. And for today, because it's your birthday, mama wrote something for you, an open letter for you. Okay, I'm gonna read it for you and you have to understand. Okay, here's my letter. Dearest Hiram, or I call you EJ or baby for short. Well, here we are again. I woke up and you're already 16. How it goes so fast. Before you and I both know that I sent you to school, And so I put you together, and now you're not just, you're young, but now you're too old. And I wrote something, I have 30 list things or 20 list things I think are important for you to remember, not just for today, but for the rest of your life. I don't pretend that I've always followed you everything in what you do. I do like to think that I gave you in my best, and I'm always trying to be a good mom for you. First, let's both acknowledge that our relationship is good and haven't changed for a while. You may not admit it, but there was a time I wouldn't leave you by my side. Now that you are past each other's briefly between with your schedule and me, we are still close, thankfully. But it's different. I'd become less cool and bit darker. That's okay. It's to be expected, and honestly, I'm a kind of mom. Anyway, in no particular order, please let me remember the following just because they're older doesn't make any less person do it right there. Be kind. Treat well others. Don't be rude, but don't people walk on you. And don't listen to those who tell you to be a man. It's okay to cry or to share your feelings. Number 19, this is laugh. A lot it's good for you and make people smile. And last but not the least, try not to regret. Instead of living a life wishing you did something, go for it. And stand for yourself, stand up what you believe in. If you're unpopular, don't follow the crowd. Don't follow the crowd and listen that your gut if you're something doesn't right or not feel. So remember, EJ, that to love, don't be in trouble. Be the best you can be. Learn to listen. Family, friendship, don't bully people. Education, mind your manners. Learn to cook. Do not hate. Let leader not be a follower. Spiritually, money, respect your elders, be kind, laugh, and try not to have regrets, and stand up for yourself, because I know that's the only thing I can give you. We don't have. I can give you. I cannot inherit you kayamanan in this world, because we don't have anything. Only I can teach you, give you the things like education. So EJ, happiest birthday and more birthdays to come. And I always pray to the Lord that the Lord God may bless you and give you more wisdom to understand life and continues to flourish your life with Him. Always remember that walay kulang being wala kay Papa, but Mama is always here for you. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye. See you soon, anak.